So, welcome to the highly anticipated. I know everybody has been waiting for excuse my fat, I'm sorry. That everybody has been waiting for. It is the what's in my bag. Yes, what's in my bag? I got a brand new bag on my birthday. Day before my birthday, May 19th, I went to TJ Maxx. I had a Juicy Couture bag in mind that I wanted. I saw it online, and they don't carry it to the store. So I had set in my head that I'm going to spend that much or a little less on a bag. So I ended up getting this one. It was damaged. I fixed it. And it is this bag right here. It is a good old, can you see? Betsy Johnson, yes. This was damaged, this side, so I fixed it. So yes. So let's show what's in the bag and what I have hanging off it. This is the little Betsy Johnson thing, and I have let me hold my keys, because they say people can make copies, or I don't know. But it's the keys. This I also ordered for my bag. My little Hello Kitty keychain from Temu. It's sold out. Look, it got a little milk and a little... I have this. I made this. It says Solomon on it. This is an old, if you see my old videos, this is my, it's an AirPods case, but I use it on my JVCs that I got at Walgreens. This was a thing from one of my cell phones that broke. This fell off and I had to fix it. And I have to take it off and fix it again. But it's for when you have the long fake nails to pull your cords out. So let's start. I'm going to show. That's how the bag. So we'll start on the little things here. I don't even know what's in my bags. Here we have a dollar store lip gloss. This one is kiwi. This one is watermelon. And this from dollar store, this is Vaseline Rosy Lips. Looks like I need to get a new one. It's in the first little thing. Then we have in the next little thing, hold on, a hand sanitizer from Dollar Tree. It is coconut. This is a magic pen from Dollar Tree. I thought it was cute, so I bought it. I put it in my bag. This is another Dollar Tree zebra writes in black. Have that in my bag. This one I thought was cute, multicolor. It says make today happy. Yep. I have a lighter. We don't need to talk about why. I have a lighter. This was a case that had Delta 8 Tysons. If you go to the dispensary, it's a hard case. I redesigned it with glitter from the air. And look, to hold my little miniatures. I have, right now, and I've gotten these all free, I have Bulgari, Bakabi, I have Fame by Paco Rabanne. I have La Vista Esbel by Lacombe. And I have Idol by Lacombe. Right, I have over 400 different little ones. I just pick random ones and put it in my bag. So those are my little bag. Here's my wallet. Let me take out all the other stuff. This is the next thing. Oh, this usually goes in that one. So I have my dollar store mini fan for me and Solomon. Very powerful. You can hear. Yeah. I have my mini dollar store fan, my little dollar store coin purse. And look, all I have is pennies in it. And a fake nail. I have my free government phone, my Obama phone, we call that. That's my emergency phone. always, once a week I charge it and put it in there. I also got this for $10. I think this was $29 or $24, the bag. I got this for $10 because I didn't have a black leather wallet to match. So, it's a wallet. Can't really see anything, but you could see like the insides. Yep. So that's my wallet. Now we're going in the zip middle pocket. Don't know what's in here, just pulling out stuff. I have a pad. So here's a word from our sponsor, Blank Oasis. Yes, Blank Oasis was wonderful enough to sponsor me with this video. And they have right now with these 2-ounce tumblers. Mind you, this one will be put in my giveaway for 100 subscribers. This will be included with some gift cards, cell phones, and all. For 100 subscribers is this little green tumbler. It looks like the you-know-who dupe. We had to talk too much. I'm 41 years old, and I'll tell you, I use mine. Mine is Barbie pink. I use it for adult beverages. 2 ounces, 2 of them. Solomon's in his playpen playing, if you hear him. And for my mom, I got a purple one, green one, purple one, and I bedazzled her name on it, Tammy, in memory of her. She would have loved to have this little mini one. Yes. So right now they have, you buy a mini tumbler 2-ounce combo and you'll get a single tumbler for free. But if you want the big 40-ounce ones, that everybody's fighting for, you buy one of those, you get 30% off. So check out Blank Oasis. The URL will be included in the video, link in the video, but it will also be included down here somewhere at blankoasis.com/the_official_real_Barbie_doll to save you some coin too. Yes. Check out Blank Oasis, and thank you so much for being my wonderful sponsor to this video. I have my EpiPen, allergic to bees, if you watch my thing. I have another hand sanitizer. I have a little notepad. This came with a bag for Five Below. I don't get rid of Hello Kitty. A pair of Solomon sunglasses from Dollar Tree. You hear them climbing to me? My little Planned Parenthood, Wisconsin, for Pride. Yep. I have one of these. We all know what this is. We don't need to talk. I have it decked out with